Okay, so hello guys. In this video, we will talk about abstraction in OOPS, PHP. So in this video, we understand this abstraction. What is abstraction? How we define this, and how we define the abstract class, abstract method, like this. So let's get started. So first, we understand the what is abstraction. So when we define the abstraction. Abstract class contain at least one abstract function. Abstract function must declare but not implemented, only declare. We implement on the child class, and the child class must contain abstract function. Okay. So we simple go to here, and first we take the abstract class. Where take abstract class. Class name is you can take any class name. I'm taking here class A, and now I have to take one abstract method. So abstract take here a function, and any method name is I'm taking here a demo. Okay, so in this class we only define the abstract method but not implement. So we just define here. Now we have to inherit this class A to class any other class. So I'm taking here a class B. So when we inherit, we use extend keyword. Stands and class. Which class we inherit? Class A. Now we have to make a same function inside the class B. So here we take a function demo and write something here, echo, write here hello demo. Okay. Now, so here abstract class, we define here abstract class and define the abstract method, and after that we implement inherit this abstract class A, inherit in class B, and we have to define a same function. So we have to we are defining our demo, and now we call the this demo. So we have to make a object. So we need one object, make object equal to new and call to class B. Okay. Now object, and we have to call demo method. Okay. Now, so we are create here a object of class B and then call to demo because we want to print a hello demo. So now go to console and write here a PHP file name demo.php, enter here. So as you can see, this hello demo is comes. Okay, so we simply implement this like this. So abstraction is simple. We have to understand two things. One is abstract class and abstract function, and then we have to inherit this in another class. And when we inherit, we have to use the same function like here a demo and here a demo. Here you have to define only, not implement. And in child class, you have to implement this. Okay. So this is the abstraction. In coming videos, we will cover encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, and rest of the things. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching the video.